G, I did it all again. Had to prove it to myself this time. Took a shot and got another win. Better than anyone else with mine. Now they all wanna do it like me.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be working on the death machine, aka the mini bike. So we're taking this 52 that tops out of like 40 down to, I don't even know how many teeth this is. Do you know how many teeth this is?
Count it. It's junk, but yeah.
It's gonna, look at the size comparison. It's literally like half the size of it. So our goal is to get this thing going like 70. Keep you into, I don't know if I mentioned this or not. This is the freaking throttle cable over here.
That's the one I gave you, wasn't it, too?
Yeah. Throttle cable right
That's
there.
Funny.
Isn't even the right size for this. And then this is just free falling. Alright, so now we're just taking off the chain guard, like the clutch guard. Yeah, that bolt, I forgot to tell you, it doesn't hold, so it only has one bolt holding that in. Look at that nice chain right there. That's how much slop you want to have it. Guys, now we just took off the brakes. Just disconnected them right there. It's in that box right there. Just disconnected them. Yeah, now we're working on taking this back tire off. So now we just got the tire off. There's the brake right there. Seeing some better days. Yeah, look at the size comparison. Look at that right there. Terrible. Guys, I think I found a new engine. Engine swap? It's what size is it?
125.
125.
3-speed with reverse.
3-speed with reverse. Definitely better than that. So what are we doing, mechanic?
We are taking off the sprockets. Trying to find a wrench. I can't find a wrench.
Yeah, it's gonna be a little sketchy, but it's gonna work out fine. Got that snap-on box right there.
Oh, I got a thing for free too.
Check. Hey guys, place your bets in the comments below.
What's top speed gonna be? Yeah,
what's the top speed gonna be? Just guess real quick. Alright, look, this sprocket's definitely fine. I don't see it pulling forward at all. A little bit of redneck ingenuity here. He put those little spacers on there. He made custom, except for the one spacer right there.
You need some anti-tie.
Perfect. Now you gotta get that traction. Alright guys, let me show you the perfect clutch I have here.
That's all supposed to happen.
Let me tell you, it bites every time you turn.
Yeah.
It's amazing. Now he's grinding down the chain to get the link off. But in the meantime, I was hooking up the brakes again. They work, I just need to tighten them back here. Drum brakes are like nice and easy to get off. I just realized that. Oh my god. How is it?
Terrifying!
Is that sketchy or what?
Yeah.
Let's see, is it holding up? Oh yeah, by the way guys, we just kind of threw it back together. We didn't put the engine cover on, so...
It pulled it forward.
The brakes don't work either.
No, they don't. Not at all.
She's nice and mint now. We tightened up the chain. Nice and mint. Look at those welds that didn't hold but still work. Well, one held.
Well, they worked.
They worked, but it was... What was it? Steel to aluminum?
They did what they needed to do.
Yeah, they did what they needed to do for the most part.
Keep them lined up.
Alright guys, it didn't go the 70 that we wanted, but there is some more things that we can do. Like, I'm going to rejet it and take the governor out and also change that front sprocket and make it bigger. But if that doesn't work, we got the big 125 with 4 or 5 years.
Oh, we all fit.
Next video, we are going to make this thing hit 70. Or 60 at least. Because we're gonna put the sprocket on the front, so maybe like that. We're gonna change it to like that. Also, guys, I'm gonna be doing a burnout next video with that tire on this, and it is gonna just smoke. Yeah, that's really all, guys. See you in the next video.
I don't think it's even halftime for me. If I ever missed, last time was the last time for me. I don't even feel the effect. I need a heat check.